Okay, Israel, we got your RUB0 computer done, and here's what we've got. The top capacitor was pretty damaged. We did some trace overlay work there, and we pulled up all those diodes and resistors and cleaned up the damage underneath them. It wasn't too bad, but there was one trace that was pretty mucked up. This one was just a lot of liquid, no damage to traces, but a lot of repair and cleanup work. And this one was pretty good to begin with, not too bad, and it still is. So the work is done, and now let's see how she tests. This should be coming on for 1 second when we turn the key on, and it does. So fuel pump circuit works. It's got 5 volts on the regulator, and this is your check engine light, which should be on until we put it into code pulling mode. And when we do that, it should flicker and spaz out for a minute and then start flashing some codes. And here we go. And it's doing that just fine, so it seems to be good. Put it in the car and see how she does.